Hello, beautiful mom. Welcome back to Sasu Flavors. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tonight is a night where I'm going to show you how to make this golden milk recipe that is absolutely delicious, so healthy. It's Saturday night, and if you're like me, I like to watch me a good Lifetime movie and just sip and relax. We're gonna begin with our ingredients. We have cinnamon, turmeric. The first thing you want to do is make sure you get your milk. I'm using almond milk that I made from scratch, and if you don't have this recipe, you can go ahead and grab it on my channel. Go ahead and add your ginger. I'm adding a cinnamon stick, and the ginger is full of anti-inflammatory benefits, gut healthy benefits, and for this recipe I put a little bit more ginger. Okay, so you don't have to put that amount, but I like ginger. Here I'm adding the turmeric powder, and this is what gives it its golden color. Turmeric is great for anti-inflammatory, great for joint pain. It's really, really good for you. Then you're gonna go ahead and add some cinnamon powder. You got the cinnamon stick. I even added a little nutmeg, and also I added some coconut oil off of camera. Then we're gonna whisk this so that all the cinnamon and everything incorporates really, really well. Remember, you can use any milk that you like for your recipe, whether it's cow's milk, skim milk, coconut milk, whatever milk you like, you can go ahead and use that milk. So I'm mixing it in, and it's all good. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, come on in and join the family, so every time I push a video out, you will be notified. Once you bring it to a boil, you're gonna go ahead and turn it off, and we are gonna get ready to strain it. Okay, so this turmeric milk is relaxing. You come home from a hard day's work, or just doing it for everybody. Mom, this is your me time. You add a little honey, a little sweetener of your choice. You don't want to add the honey when the milk is boiling, because you're gonna cause the honey to not work as effectively, because doing that, the heat, too much heat in the honey will not allow it to work effectively. Sprinkle with a little cinnamon. This reminds me of a nice chai tea. Sip and enjoy, and then whatever you plan to do for the night to unwind, go ahead, get your TV on, whether you're gonna watch a movie. Like I said, I'll watch a Lifetime movie. Okay, sit by the fireplace and just sip and enjoy. You can drink this before bedtime, and you're gonna see that your sleep is so restful, so good. This golden milk is full of anti-inflammatory properties. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I will see you next time in the next video. Bye.